Hi friends, welcome to Nischala's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you another healthy snack recipe. Yes, that is Atta Biscuits. See how cute these mini biscuits are looking? Come, let's start the preparation. Take a pan, add half cup of water and half cup of grated jaggery. We are just doing this step to melt jaggery and filter it out so that if any dust particles are there in the jaggery, they gets filtered out. See, just stir the jaggery in a way that it gets melted. Now collect the filtered jaggery in a bowl. Now take a mixing jar and pour this jaggery water into that bowl. Here we have taken half a cup of jaggery. For half a cup of jaggery, I am taking 2 cups of whole wheat flour. See, 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Now take quarter cup of ghee and melt it in a small pan. We have to add the melted ghee into this mixing jar. All the ingredients that we are using in this recipe are super healthy. Now add salt and elaichi powder. I have just added quarter spoon of each. Add 1 spoon of poppy seeds also. Now after adding this, stir it with the spatula because we have added very hot ghee into it. So do not put your hand directly but stir it with the spatula until it comes to room temperature. Once it comes to room temperature, you can knead the dough with your hands. See, I'm slowly bringing the dough into normal temperature. And until now, we haven't added water at all to our dough. See, we just used the jaggery water, means the half cup of water that we have taken, that is the only water that we took. Now, gradually add little amount of water and mix the dough. The consistency of this dough, it should not be too hard nor too soft. All the ingredients that we added in this recipe are good for health. We used jaggery, we used poppy seeds. Just Google the health benefits of poppy seeds. You will be marveled at what all they consist of. Now our dough is ready. Make the dough into two equal portions. Take one portion of the dough and gently flatten it and roll it. And do not forget to cover the second portion that is left out. If we leave it just like that, the dough will be hardened. See, now roll it into a thick disc kind of a structure, just like our roti or flatbread. Now, if you have cookie cutter like this, make small cookies with the help of the cookie cutter. In case if you are not having these cookie cutters, you can use a pizza cutter or a knife and you can cut them into diamond shapes or any desired shape that you prefer. But these cookie cutters are too adorable. In case if you can find these, do get them, they will definitely be handy. Now make these kind of small cookies out of the entire dough that you have prepared. See, again I am using the cookie cutter and I am making the mini atta cookies again. Now take a pan, add desired amount of oil into it, and once the oil is hot, gradually drop in all the cookies that you have made and kept ready. See, fry them until they are golden brown color and take it into a plate. That's it. We are done. The same way, take another portion of the dough that is kept aside and make cookies. In case if the dough gets harder, just wet your palms with water and knead the dough again and follow the same process. Interesting, isn't it? Do try out these irresistible cookies and let me know how they turned out. And if you like it, do share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching Nischala's Kitchen. Bye everyone.